Now we see about what is reported speech. So reported speech is when we tell someone what other person said. To do this, we can use direct speech or indirect speech. For example, in direct speech, I work in a bank, said Daniel. In indirect speech, Daniel said that he worked in a bank. Like that, we have to use direct speech and indirect speech in reported speech. So, reported speech or indirect speech is usually used to talk about the past. So, we normally change the tense of the words spoken. We use reporting verbs like say, tell, ask, and we may use the word that to introduce the reported words. Invented commas are not used. So now we see the definitions of direct speech and indirect speech. So direct speech describes when something is being respected exactly as it was, usually in between a pair of invented commas. In indirect speech, will still share the same information, but instead of expressing someone's comments or speech by directly repeating them, it involves reporting or describing what was said. So now we saw some different types of examples of direct and indirect speech. So first type, she says I am ill. Indirect, she says that she is ill. Second example, I will study. Mary said. I will study, said Mary. Like this also we also can frame. And third example, she said the exam is difficult. She said the test was difficult. And fourth example, I brought a car. He said he brought a car. And fifth example, my parents are very well. In indirect, Alex said that his parents were very well. And sixth example, I was walking along the street. In indirect, he said he had been walking along this street. So these are the different types of examples that direct and indirect speech, and that's it.